Hi everyone, so I'm just about to share just a quick video with you. I've put together a little kit, I'm calling it Elements, and it's just got little ephemera elements that you can cut out and use in your journals or your projects. There is also 2 collage sheets that you can use, well, within the kit that you can use. You can tear it up, you can do all sorts with collage sheets. So there is 7 sheets in total. I'll put a link to this little kit below if you're interested. So we've got this one here, selection of ephemera, and then we have this one. So I don't think my camera is like high enough to get it all in, so that's why I'm going backwards and forwards. You've got some labels here and big circle. I thought you could layer on top of that and maybe add a butterfly. We'll see. I'm gonna have a play around with it in a little bit. And here we've got some more. They could be used that way or that way. You can also print these off to a page. They come in a PDF size, or if you're obviously using a PDF, you can print like, you know, to a page or whatever. Then we have this collage sheet and that collage sheet. So like I said, this will be in my shop, on my website, not on my coffee shop. So I will put the link to that below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.